just jogging, marching. Well done. Nicely done. Those arms moving. Taking it into side step double. Well done. Again, single side step if you want. There's no need to do a jump if you don't want to. Keep going. Into front step, let's go. Arms nice and strong. I'll show you from the side. Well done. And march. Bring it up. Nicely done. Add step curve. Well done. You want to add a jump? That's fine. If not, keep it low. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's keep marching. Keep that heart rate up. Moving on. Okay, what we're going to do now, guys? Okay, it's up to you again. We're going to be jogging forward for 4, back for 4. If you want to march it forward for 4, march it back. That's absolutely fine as well. On my say, get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and back. Well done. Taking it into side step for 2. Okay, this time we're going to raise our arms. Okay, if you want to keep them low, that's fine. Nicely done. Foot to the front. Up. Back to running forward. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Well done. To the side. Taking it double. Step curl, bring it up. Really using those arms now. Land in the heels, shoulders front, head up. If you want to grab a drink at any time, please feel free to do so. Really good idea to keep yourself hydrated. To the front. Nice work. Okay, let's reach those arms up. Coming to the front. Let's go. And up. Let's go. Okay, again, if you want to just march it out, that's fine. If you want to stay on the spot, that's fine. I'm going to jog it. To the side, let's go. The double. Well done, everyone. Stepping out to the front. Nicely done, okay? Again, if you want to tap it out, we can do that. Step curl, bring it up. Up to you again. We can stay stationary, no jump, or we can add in a jump. Getting ready to jog to the front. Let's go. 3, Okay, into the next set, we're going to be bringing the arms up more. Okay, it's totally up to you now. You can keep your arms low. You don't have to use your arms. But we're really going to bring that heart rate up now. Again, marching or jogging, up to you. Bring it up, double. Nice and wide, if you've got the space. Arms up. Up, down. Okay, again, up to you. You don't have to use the arms. Tap it out to the front. Arms nice and high if you want. Okay? Or you can be like this. Or you can add a jump. Bring it up to the front. To the side, let's go. Well done. Keep it going. Step curl. Okay, again, with a jump, arms up. Or nice and low, arms down. Or you can put it into a bicep curl. So the front. Arms low. Or arms up. We're taking it into jogging to the front for 4. 1, 2, 3, and up. 2. Well done. If you want to march it, no problem. Make the exercise for you. Double side step. Okay, option 1. Option 2. Well done. Keep it going. Next move, we're going to take it into step curl. Let's go. Option 1. Nice and low, no jump. Landing the heels. Option 2. Or bring the arms up. Well done. Keep it going. Taking the toes to the front, heel taps. spot. Arms nice and low. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Keep it going. Single side step to the side touch. Step touch. Well done. Keep those hands on the hips now. Get ready now. We're going to step those heels out. Let's go. Okay, guys. Nicely done. Okay, bringing the knees a bit lower now. Taking it out to the side, side step. Let's go. Well done. Keep it going. Bringing the heels out to the front. As you can see, bring it into step though. Hands on the hips. Get away with myself here. Ready to go again. And marching. are there. Nice and slowly coming up, rolling through the spine. Okay, we're going to step the leg out to the side. Okay, again, locking the knees is really important. Be able to feel that nicely. Okay, changing sides. Okay, back up to the centre. We're going to step the leg behind. Okay, I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing here. Really stretching out the calves. It's really important to stretch. Back to the centre and change legs. Okay, holding that for 10 seconds. Okay, back to the centre now. We're going to bring the arm across the chest. Okay, not holding onto the elbow either above or below. Okay, drop the shoulder down. And changing sides. Fantastic. Remember, dropping the shoulder. Pushing the arms forwards. Chin on the chest. Really feel that stretch across your back. And release. Okay, we're going to bring the arms behind. Okay, onto your lower back. Pushing your elbows together. At the front, chest forwards, head up. Legs up. Okay, loosen that off. Then push those arms up. Looking up to the sky. And release. Okay, back to the legs quickly. We're going to step the foot forwards. We're going to lift the toes. And we're gently going to come down. If you can touch your toes, that's great. If you can't, if you can still feel the stretch, you can leave it like it is, okay? And changing legs. Okay, again, if you can touch your toes, that's great. If not, and you can still feel the stretch, that's perfect. And hold to there. Thank you very much everyone for joining the session. I hope you enjoyed. See you again soon.